So this nice vintage Kenwood turntable, full automatic direct drive turntable, KD-5070. Very nice turntable. Let's see how it's work. Okay.
And come dance with me. Come dance with me, what an evening for some terpsichore. Pretty face, I know a swinging place. Come on, dance with me. Romance with me on a crowded floor.
Nice. Okay.
Each place I go,
Kenwood vintage turntable.
Go, just remember that ant. Oops, there goes another rubber tree plant. Oops, there goes another
Sinatra.
We're gonna fall in love.
Nice, that is Kenwood full automatic vintage direct drive turntable, model KD-5070 5070. Looks like work very good, sound fine. Thank you for looking, good luck.